New construction on the Eastern Shore continues, and the Housing Expansion and Affordability Act, HB 538/SB 484, is a major piece of legislation this year designed to reduce local barriers to building new affordable housing. It's Friday, September 5th, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker-owner reporting from the Eastern Shore offices of Kinetic Realty. This is the weekly Maryland Eastern Shore Report. This legislation will likely lead to more developments on the shore as the affordability over the Western Shore is a big draw, as is the expansion of high-speed internet connectivity. We currently see new construction developments continuing in Berlin, Cambridge, Trapp, Easton, Graysonville, Kent Island, and Chester, with about 211 new construction units listed for sale at a median $450,300. Overall inventory on the shore fell this report to 2,174 units for sale at a median $410,000 list price. 143 more homes are poised to come to the market. Fewer homes went under contract this report at 174 going under contract in 27 days at median list price of $399,000. 154 homes settled at 96% list to sold ratio, with days before contract rising to 25 days at a median $362,450. Homes for lease remain consistent this report at 130 units at a median $2,163 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your weekly wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, September 5th, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.